the rhythmic music of your tiny purr. You're the heartbeat waiting at the door, making me love this life a little more. Oh, my sweet, sweet voice, in your quiet song I rejoice. With every nuzzle and every stare, I find a love that's beyond compare. But time is a shadow chasing the light, and one day your song will fade into the night. The thought of the silence, the empty chair, is a weight that's more than my heart can bear. Oh, my sweet, sweet voice, in your quiet song I rejoice. I'll hold you closer while you're still here, drowning out every tomorrow fear. Soft pause, soft breath, stay a while, my beautiful, sweet voice tile. Sunlight, 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 sunlight dancing on your golden fur, the rhythmic music of your tiny purr. You're the heartbeat waiting at the door, making me love this life a little more. Oh, my sweet, sweet voice, in your quiet song I rejoice. Sunlight, sweet, sweet voice, in your quiet song, sweet voice, sweet voice. A steady rhythm, every little breath is a gift I'm given. Oh, my darling cat, with your sweet voice calling, you catch my heart before it's even fallen. A gentle purr, a velvet touch, I never knew I could love this much. In this quiet house, you're the song I need, my favorite soul, my dearest friend indeed. You follow my shadow across the floor, waiting for me right behind the door. With your paws tucked in and your spirit wide, there's a whole world living deep inside. You don't need words to tell me you stay. You love me in your own perfect way. Oh, my darling cat, when your sweet voice calling, you catch my heart before it's even fallen. A gentle purr, a velvet touch, I never knew I could love this much. In this quiet house, you're the song I need, my favorite soul, my dearest friend indeed. When the world gets loud and the day is long, you're the melody, you're my happy song. Just a look from you and the clouds all part, the smallest light in the center of my heart. My sweet voice, sweet tight little light, my darling cat, everything's alright.